Mean, median, mode and range with even number example. In this lesson, we will look at an even number example for finding the mean, median, mode and range. We are given the following data set: 3, 1, -1, -4, 4, -9, 1, 0. Mean. First, we will find the mean, also known as the average. The mean is equal to sum of all numbers divided by number of values. Let's add the numbers. 3 plus 1 plus -1 plus -4 plus 4 plus -9 plus 1 plus 0. The total is -5. There are 8 values in the dataset, so the mean is -5 divided by 8. This is our mean, which represents the average of this dataset. Median. Next is the median, also known as the middle value. To find the median, we must first arrange the data in order from smallest to largest. Ordered data: -9, -4, -1, 0, 1, 1, 3, 4. Since we have 8 numbers, an even number, the median is the average of the fourth and fifth values. Fourth value is 0, fifth value is 1. So the median is 0 plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 1 divided by 2 is equal to 0.5. Therefore, the median value is 0.5. Mode. The mode is the value that appears most frequently. In this dataset, the number 1 appears twice, while all other numbers appear only once. So the mode is 1. If no number repeats, then there is no mode. If two numbers repeat with the same frequency, the dataset can have two modes. Range. The range is the difference between the largest and smallest values. Largest value is 4. Smallest value is -9. Range is equal to 4 minus -9. Subtracting a negative becomes addition. 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. So the range of this dataset is 13. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you want more math videos, don't forget to like and subscribe.